Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the portfolio. Decent day today. Like I said, nice bounce back. I'm not sure if we're going to see any more red in the market. I mean, looked pretty positive. I thought that maybe if we were going to see some red, that we would see a bigger pullback towards the end of the day, but it wasn't as big of a pullback that I expected. But like I said, nice day. Still down quite a bit from our highs, especially since I deposited some money last week. We did looks like we did push another $80,000 again, so we may take a little while for us to get back to that 80K range, but I probably will deposit another 11 about $1,000 at the end of the week to have more cash on the side. But if the market stays around where it is, already know my buys, man. If I see SoFi into the 15s, I want to get uh, my average cost lower, so I'm gonna probably buy another 100 200 shares if we see SoFi going back down into the 15s, which I hope happens. Celsius, if Celsius gets even closer to 25, I'm gonna have to buy some more, but I'm pretty happy with this holding. If it keeps going down, I'm gonna buy some more, man. Celsius is where I work. I literally work at an Amazon facility where I see Celsius, people ordering Celsius, so much Celsius 12 packs, man, it's crazy. Same thing with Elf. That's the reason why I'm looking at the trends. I work at Amazon. I see people ordering these products all the time, and you know what? I have to buy them, right? I have to buy them. They're selling out crazy amounts, and this is just one warehouse that I work. Imagine all the warehouses, all these people buying these products. I think eventually these companies will go crazy and go back to where they were before. I mean, Alpha was a, I don't know, $200-300 stock back then, $200 stock at one point, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, $200 stock at one point. So eventually we'll get back to there when it, especially with the growth that it has. Meta is another one that I'm very interested in buying. If Meta continues to go down under 550, I'm going to have to make this a top three position. So I would need to add another two, three shares of this one. I want to get to 10 shares eventually, and especially since my rate of how much I'm depositing every week, we're depositing $1,000 plus per week. We're going to be able to grow this portfolio very fast, especially whenever there is a market crash. We might see this portfolio go down from, let's say we hit 100K before the market crashes. It'll probably go down to 60, but we'll be stacked up in so much buying power that by that time that crash happens, I'll probably deploy 20, 30, $40,000 into the market. And next, when the market recovers, we'll probably be back to 150, just like that. So that's why I want to have a lot of buying power whenever that does happen. That's why I'm depositing every week. If I see good deals, I'm buying them. If don't see good deals, I'm just stacking cash. So right now we're in a very good position for whatever happens. If the market continues to go up, we're riding the wave, man. We're in good holdings right now, so we're gonna be slowly going up. And if the market crashes, I'm in a very favorable position. I can just buy stuff, and I have lots of cash ready, and I have income coming in, so I'm depositing anywhere between